So just today, American Express announced that there's a new transfer bonus to Virgin Atlantic, and it's a 30% transfer bonus. It's a great transfer bonus, and one of the best ways to take advantage of the transfer bonus is to book Delta One flights from the US to Europe for 50,000 Virgin points, and with the 30% transfer bonus, it's around 39,000 Virgin points, which is a really good deal, but the award availability can be really hard to find. Delta doesn't release a lot of award availability to be bookable through Virgin, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt to book and search because there's just so little award availability. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to search and find out whether there is award availability or not, or how to identify some of those small pockets of that Delta One 50,000 mile point bookings through Virgin Atlantic. My name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'm talking really fast because it's just supposed to be a quick video, and let's get started. So when it comes to searching for award availability, the free way to search is to go on Virgin Atlantic's website and search on there. It might take you a long time because it's hard to find the award availability and you have to search week by week, and it's really annoying. I'm gonna show you a paid tool on how to find that Delta One award availability really quickly, or identify that there is no award availability so that you're not wasting your time searching week by week. So let's go over to my computer and I'll show you how to use seats.aero to identify that Delta One award availability on the Virgin Atlantic website. This is not sponsored. I really like using seats.aero. I personally use seats.aero. I do have an affiliate link though. You can use my affiliate link down in the description. And using that link, signing up for seats.aero does help support my work. Seats.aero is free to use if you want to see award availability for the next 60 days. Beyond 60 days, you have to purchase the premium version, which is like $10 a month. You can sign up for a month and then use it, find the award availability that you want, and then don't pay anymore or just pay as you go. It really depends on however you want to do that. But Seats.aero here has a cool tool. Under the tools section, it's the Delta One Finder. So the way that you use this Delta One Finder is that since I have the Pro version, which shows me the award availability for a full year, I'm going to go and click on that. Let's do North America to Europe. And since we know that it costs 50,000 Virgin points, we can sort it by 50,000 Virgin points, and it'll tell you all the flights that are bookable through Virgin Atlantic that cost 50,000 Virgin points from North America to Europe. What to keep in mind is that this award availability is to cached award availability. So this award availability might be a couple days old, it might be a couple hours old. You have to double check if the award availability is still there. Let's see October 15th if there's award availability. I'm going to click on this eye icon, click on book with Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, and it deep links me into the Virgin Atlantic page, and I can go and click on continue. And let's see if that Delta flight is still available. The Delta flight's right here, and there's no award availability in business class here, so it's not available. So that's the thing. Seats.aero is not always 100% accurate because it's cache data. And so this search was ran about 2 days ago. So that's why the award availability might be gone. Let's pick this Brussels one for August 11th. Click on business, click on book with Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. And JFK to Brussels has that award availability for the Delta Airlines Delta One flight, which is 50,000 miles and $5.90. And so the award availability is there. So Seats.aero does help you narrow down the dates at least, and then you have to double check if the award availability is still there. So that's how you would use Seats.aero. And then if you want to reverse this, you can do this. You can do Europe to North America and do the same exact thing again. It'll sort the award availability that it has found in the past, and that's where you have to double check and make sure the award availability is there. So for example, Frankfurt to Detroit here on August 8th, business class, book on Virgin points, and it looks like the award availability is there, and it is. Operated by Delta Airlines, 50,000 miles and 296 euros, and so it's a little bit more expensive in taxes and fees, well, a lot more expensive in taxes and fees coming back from Europe to the US because there's different surcharges and taxes and fees that you have to pay, especially if you're flying business class. So the taxes and fees are a little higher, but it's still a pretty good deal, especially if there is a transfer bonus available. So that's how you use Seats.aero as a paid tool to narrow down the dates and run a search and double check if the award availability is there before you transfer your credit card points. So that's how I would quickly identify whether there's Delta One award availability that's bookable through Virgin Atlantic or not. And of course, the 30% transfer bonus makes it a really good deal. 50,000 points and very minimal taxes and fees is already a good deal, but you stack that transfer bonus on top of it, then you get a really good deal. So I have more videos on Virgin Atlantic that you can go check out over here. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does help with my channel, and that's it for this one. It's a short video, a quick one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.